Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing the available space on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right. Then tap Settings from the menu. In Settings, tap Device Options. Then tap Device Info at the top of the options. At the bottom of the device info, you can see how much space is available on your Kindle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.